video which didn't go so well. I was going to do some fitness. I'm a little bit nervous about recording this. You guys follow me because obviously I had a fitness journey and you're all watching to see where I'm at, motivation and all that jazz. Well, to be quite honest with you, it's really hard to not kick my heels when I get to the gym these days. 2 videos ago, I spoke about how I wanted to stay with me. So I was like 5 minutes not even into my workout, like 3, and the power goes out. So what are you trying to tell me here, guys? What are you actually trying to tell me? Don't train, okay?
Hi girls.
Oh, we have to stop?
Yeah, sorry.
It's alright.
Please, because it's not safe. We're trying.
What should I do? I think it's a good idea to go super fast. Stay tuned. I'm trying to vlog for my channel. Vlogging is just not okay. It's just not working. No, this thing. What is making it work? I've got an idea for you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I thought I would do this video. The struggle is real when it comes to being a YouTuber. When you have ideas for a video, it doesn't always go as planned. I was trying to film a video for fitness when I work out, trying to motivate myself again, trying to get motivated, hoping that you guys would be motivated. However, I noticed that when I turn to working out, sometimes it can be too extreme and it's a way of not doing well for my body, but trying to punish it. I definitely do challenge you if you find that your mindset around working out and training is to overcome what you've eaten in the past. Like, it shouldn't be about that. When you're working out, it should be training for what you love, and that's something that I really want to get into. And I want to share the journey with you in terms of food, around doing what you love and not punishing yourself. So having said that, so I thought I would give this a shot. And coming up to Christmas, I don't know about you, but there's a lot more food and there's a lot more things, and old Leisha would have been like, no, you save yourself for Christmas. You don't have no protein ball mix. If you want to eat that, you got to work for it. If you want to have this protein ball mix, you got to stop eating other things. Sometimes the healing process requires you to do things outside of your comfort zone. And you may not feel right, but you've got to establish what's the difference between your head making a decision and your heart making a decision and your whole body working in flow with itself. Like, so it's not just you, it's not just your body, it's like everything. And for me, I need to do this. I need to make these protein balls and I need to put it on camera, and I want you all to challenge yourself. It's coming up to Christmas, girl. I want you to make something for your friends and for your family, and I want you to taste test it. I don't want you to just make it and then put it to the side or put it in the fridge or give it to your workmates. You need to eat it too, because you deserve an extra 90 calories in your day. Now I'm getting freaking hungry. Like, I'm really hungry. It is 11 o'clock here. So, oh my God. This is a no bake, no sugar added protein ball mix. I constantly find myself going to the fridge or the cupboard for something, anything that is full of sugar. The ingredients in this packet is instant oats, coconut flour, whey protein concentrate, black chia seeds, raw cacao, arrowroot flour. So it says what we will need. 4 tablespoons of no sugar added organic brown rice syrup, 4 tablespoons of boiling water, 4 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil, and coconut for rolling. I'm just gonna roll it in cocoa. How about that? How about that? Can't you just have it in there? I don't get it. Have the coconut in here. Anyway, what we will need is measuring spoons. Sorry, not working. A measuring cup. a mixing bowl, and a kettle and a microwave, which I've clearly just put it here. I'm gonna do my own thing, do things differently. I challenge you to do things differently today. So the first step is to combine, 4 tablespoons. Is that a tablespoon? IKEA, help me. I think that is 4 of these bad boys. In there, 1, 2, 3. Why did I not check this? 4. I didn't check this when I bought the packet for what I needed extra. Isn't that what normal people do? I feel it's because I don't usually do this. And when I don't usually do this, then I don't really know what I'm doing, so. Ugh. Can we just do 2 of these? See, that's my eating disorder coming back. It's being like, you don't want to do this. Okay, this is not fair. I'm not going to put any other things in here because I don't have anything else. But we're just going to roll with that. We're just going to have to roll with that. Do you think it needs to be hot? I'm not on a cooking channel at all. Ever. Okay. What does the next bit say? Has anyone been guilty of throwing out the box before they finish? Like, add the dry mix from the pack and stir well. That's what's in the packet, in the box, for anyone playing at home. Oh. I'm just gonna go with this. Okay. This. See, I'm not even looking. I'm like, this is easy. You don't need to tell me how to live my life. Ooh, it smells like hot chocolate. Doesn't even need washing now because it just had water rinse. Hot water rinse. Look at me, living my best life. I freaking love paper towel. I go through way too much of this. So we're rolling these bad boys in some cocoa because that's what I had. Is this what you do? I don't know. Domestic goddess. It's like a truffle ball. Can you see that? This actually works, so screw you, desiccated coconut. These protein mixes are probably a great business idea. Like, I feel like I could make these. It's like fruits. I mean, we read the ingredients at the start. I guess we could call this cooking with Leesh, and this is very therapeutic, I'm not gonna lie. All I can think about is how much that I just don't want to live to the confines of a macro count and a micro count and an energy input and output, which a lot of people say is the way to lose weight, which it is because I've been there and I've lost weight before, but also your body knows. So how about you stop tracking things and you just listen to your body and like really engage with it rather than I need a close up. I feel like we need, no. Should I keep going? I want to do a challenge, a 30-day challenge for people who are dealing with coming out of body comps, whatever you want to call it. I want to do a challenge for people who are like me, who don't do these things because they don't feel like they're worthy. Comment below if you guys would like to be involved in this 30-day challenge. Note that it is not a time-based thing, it's not a daily thing, it's when you feel comfortable to really push yourself in different areas, living your life. Like, we only have one life, guys. And yes, a big part of that is having a body that you feel comfortable and confident in, but it's also about living and connecting with others. I think that's something that, you know, I lost that in the process of transforming my body. And I felt when I first started my YouTube channel that I would help other people to gain the body that I had achieved for myself. And then I started beating myself up about it when I wasn't looking to the standard that Instagram made me feel I should be. So I kind of went downhill a little bit. Also in the time that I was experiencing a lot of like magical stuff in America. Oh, it was like the best time of my life, I'm not gonna lie. America has changed me in a way that I feel people should really do things that make them feel uncomfortable. So that's why I'm doing this challenge. Get people to live their best lives. Hashtag body talk. Okay, so how do I feel? You know what, when I put on clothes that I love, and this is a conversation that I had with my best friend this week, like just get clothes you feel comfortable in and rock it with the confidence that you got. Like, oh my God, I'm at 8 balls and I've still got enough for like 3. I feel good. This is good, guys. Do things differently. Challenge yourself. Eat the balls. Eat the balls. And that is pretty much a wrap on my balls to choose. So it says makes 9. That's a bit of a review for it looks like Christmas poo, people. Well, thank you for watching this video. And like I said, if you're interested in having a challenge, I'm gonna put them in the fridge. And living your best life with me, definitely make something with real chocolate. But these are the extra calories. They don't count because I made 9 balls. Zoe, you would be so proud. Whenever you buy recipe-based box thingies, definitely get the ingredients that it calls for. And don't assume. Never make assumptions. Because sometimes not everything is as it seems. And the only thing that is real is what's in your heart. So listen to that and don't silence it with, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna put these in the fridge and then I'm gonna eat.
One eternity later.
I haven't actually had lunch yet. I was gonna have lunch before I tried these. But I thought I would just take one and have a little chit chat to finish this video. So obviously I'm gonna pick the big one because that's my life. Pick the biggest one. I think they've had enough time. That's definitely the biggest one. So let's go and have a chat. Please stay. Oh, see, this is real life, girls. Real life, and I love it. I've actually come to a point now where I feel like I'm just getting, hold on. Perfect. That's the new beautiful leaf. All right, so just to finish up this video, I feel like this could use more time. I just wanted to say that I'm here for you guys. If you need someone to talk to, if you feel like you aren't strong enough to do something on your own, I want to be here for you. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a personal trainer. But I am a kind human being. And I do believe that we all deserve good things in our lives. And we shouldn't wait until I finish eating. And we shouldn't wait for somebody to tell us that we're worthy of it. So yeah, I just wanted to finish that with the taste review, which is, man, I could do with something sweeter. If you haven't already, do turn on the notification bell and do subscribe to my channel because I like creating videos. And if I could make this something that generates income for me one day, then great. And if it doesn't, that's also good. I'm just glad to be here with you, but I want to make more friends. So please subscribe if you're new here, comment below and tell me where you came from. Yeah, if you're on this journey with me, if you're interested in doing more challenges, just getting out there and getting uncomfortable, hit me up. But until then, keep growing, keep learning, keep loving, keep living, and I love you all. Goodbye. Even if it's tough. Things happen.